Hey guys, my name is Jennifer and welcome back to my channel. I feel like I'm going to be doing that a lot today because I'm wearing like real lipstick for the first time in forever. I usually wear liquid lipsticks and they don't come off on my teeth, but normal lipstick does, so okay, already off to a tangent. Today I will be testing these Ardell magnetic lashes with you guys. I've never tried magnetic lashes before. This is like the first pair that I've ever gotten, so we're gonna see how this goes. I'm gonna try to do like a full day wear test for you and all of that good stuff, and let's just get started. So these magnetic lashes were $14 when I picked them up from Ulta. The reason I decided to try these, you guys know that I love false eyelashes. I don't think I've ever done a video without false eyelashes, and I don't have a problem with them. They're comfortable enough for me to wear all day. I don't have a big incentive to try magnetic lashes, especially because all I buy are those like $1 eyelashes. The reason I picked these up was because it overcame a lot of my like frustration and gripe with magnetic lashes. For one, magnetic lashes when they first came out were like 60 or 100 bucks. Like, are you serious? No thank you. That is way too expensive. And the ones that came out first were like really short. So they were like maybe half the size of this. They were meant to be accent lashes just on like the outer half of your eyes. And they had like basically one long straight magnet on them. And that never made sense to me because like your eyes have like a natural curvature to them. So if you have like a straight magnet, it would kind of look unnatural. So I don't know. Those were like mainly my things against magnetic lashes when they first came out, but Ardell came out with these, and I'm gonna like pop them open for you here. I bought the ones that are double wispies, and they're really misleading because you think you're getting two pairs, but it's actually one pair because like you need a top and bottom to like magnetize together. And so I'm gonna try to hold these in a way so you can see them. But these ones up here are basically your upper lashes, and these ones down here are your lower lashes that you put on each eye. And if you look really closely, there's like 4 dark black spots all along the lash line, and it's 4 separate little magnets. And so they're so small, and the lashes are curled, and so I feel like these will fit my eyes pretty well. I like Ardell lashes, so I'm hoping these don't let me down, but at the same time they were like $14, so I don't know, worth a shot. The one con I can already see with an eyelash like this, my camera will not focus, there we go, is that for those of you with smaller eyes, like my right eye is smaller than my left eye, so sometimes I need to trim just the eyelash on my right eye, that these magnetic lashes are going to be hard to trim because you basically need to trim like an entire quarter of the eyelash at a time, because you want like your outer, like the outer edge and the inner edge of each lash to be a magnet. That way it doesn't like have an end that's just like flopping around out there. I don't wear mascara when I do false lashes, mainly because mascara is actually one of my least favorite makeup items. I hate using it. I hate getting it off. That's for another day, but I'm going to try these without mascara. Some people were saying that it's easier to get these on without or with mascara because then your eyelashes have somewhere to sit, but I'm just gonna go for it and see how it goes. Wish I had 3 hands. I want to show you guys like these lashes. So this is the upper eyelash, this is the lower eyelash, and when you bring them in close together, just boom, they just magnetize together. And I'm actually really excited for this because these are gonna look like double stacked eyelashes, and it's just gonna look extra dramatic. So first of all, these test pretty well. They're not too strong, but they're not too like wimpy. So we're gonna go ahead and give this a shot. I'm gonna zoom you guys in. The weird part of it is like it's kind of magnetizing to my tweezers, so that's kind of annoying. But I'm going to just set this on my eyes. I don't know how I'm going to get these to stay. Maybe mascara is necessary. Okay. They're kind of on. This is going to be such a fail. I don't know how to do this. They are falling off. This is not going well. So I'm just going to bring the lower lash really close and hope that it just like magically attaches in the right spots. Okay, y'all, that did not work. Maybe if I just sandwich them both at the same time? Is this working? Okay, well, it definitely sandwiched, but it only sandwiched like the front half of my eyelashes. No. You guys, look at how close I just got on this eye. So I've just managed to get this on and it's having the same problem. Do you see this? The end on this side and the end on this side is like so separated from my actual like eyelid, but the curvature is just not right, and so I can't, if I get one end to stick well, the other one just like is flopping all the way out there. So I hopped on YouTube and I looked at a couple of other people how they are getting these things to work, and most of them are saying to actually cut the lashes. Should I just cut it straight down the middle? Okay, I'm gonna cut it straight down the middle. There, done. It's done. We're gonna try this again and see if this is any better. I have to leave in like 20 minutes, so if I don't figure this shit out, it ain't happening today. I just dropped it. Okay, so I think I got this side to work. This is really frustrating. This is as close as it's gonna get. It looks okay, like it looks like it's close enough to my eyeball, but I feel like you can see where I cut it in half. Like it's just not that natural in the middle. This is not how they're supposed to work. Okay, there we go. Got half, right? Did I do it? I think I might have gotten half. Okay, I redid it. I think they look better now. I'm gonna zoom you guys back out. Now that I've cut them in half and spent, it is 10:36. I sat down to do this video at 9:05. So a full hour and a half for me to do this. I want to still do the full day wear test because I feel like you guys are curious. I feel like the wear test might turn a little vloggy because today is Super Bowl Sunday and I do live in Minneapolis, so I'm planning on partaking in some festivities. By the way, for those curious, these do feel heavier than normal false eyelashes. I think it's because like I literally am wearing 2 on each eye, and so that could be why it's pretty heavy, plus like it's actually magnets instead of just glue, so that could be attributing to the weight too. Okay you guys, so it's 1 o'clock and I've had these lashes on for 2.5 hours. I think my phone says it's like -3 out. 0. Might be 0 now. Maybe we'll hit positive later. But the eyelashes feel good outside, even though my face doesn't. So far so good. We will check back in a couple hours. Okay you guys, it has been a total of 12 hours since I put these lashes on, which means it's been a total of 13.5 hours since I've first attempted to put these lashes on. And so I've been eating probably like nonstop for the last 9 hours. Since giving up on the lipstick, everything else is kind of just meh, but my eyelashes do still look good. Throughout the day, like as you could tell, even with the really cold weather, let me zoom you guys in, the eyelashes actually didn't really go anywhere and they look pretty good still. So I think because you are effectively wearing 2 sets of lashes, if you were to put on false lashes, you would need to put on 2 sets to achieve this really dramatic look. I think if you are wanting this dramatic look, this stuff is really great because it does not feel like you're wearing 2 pairs of lashes. Like, wearing this is definitely more comfortable than double stacking like 2 pairs of false lashes and trying to glue them onto your eye. I do feel like these are less sort of stable on your eyes in terms of like it's pretty easy for you to like accidentally bump into them, maybe just like bump them off and like rip them off. It was pretty windy outside when we were you know, out and about, and by the way, I'm not mad that the Eagles won. Sorry. I want to say they look more natural and not natural, like all at the same time versus false lashes. When you close your eyes, like with false lashes, sometimes you can see like a band where some of it's like a little bit shiny, maybe from the glue, or the band itself was clear. And so in that way, this looks a little bit more natural than fake lashes. But once you like zoom in, and I can do that again, I don't know if you can tell that because I cut the middle. When you are super like close to me, you can tell like where the magnets are. You can tell that it's not, you know, lined up perfectly next to my eye, especially like right here. And I had to put on like a lot of mascara to get these things to like stick and stay and stuff. But after cutting them in half, it definitely made putting them on a lot easier. And so I think with practice, these things will become like things that, you know, you might wear as often as you do normal false lashes. For me personally, I just don't know if I'm gonna wear these as much as my false lashes, and I know part of that is like I'm just way better at putting on the false lashes that are with glue. So yeah, that is it for my review. I mean, it was very comfortable throughout the day. You don't really notice it, and yeah, I like that it's so dramatic. I like that it seems to be easier to sanitize than normal false lashes. Let me know what you guys think about magnetic lashes. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys have enjoyed it, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button here before you go, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!